There. You think you fixed it?
I think so.
What'd you do?
Changed to the Futaba transmitter and receiver.
Instead of the Traxxas TQI that he had.
Got a lot more settings to control that steering.
That's right. Hey, Mike, what's happening?
Not much, buddy.
And Mike's down here. Pop's we're just dialing in the rally cars today. We're not racing. We're just doing a little maintenance and shakedown on some of the cars. Mike was having left and right steering problems. So whenever he'd steer left and right, it would stay left or right. So he bought a new servo, installed that, and that took care of the problem. And we just said Pop's fixed some issues with his car by switching controllers. And I just did some maintenance on this car here. We're just going to bring him down to the track today and just have some fun ripping around just ripping some laps, having some fun. All right. Let me go back up a little bit. Pops, get up there. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. Two. Three. Four. And 5. Yeah. Good. All right, now we're just going to run this section of the track around there. Part of the berm, just an oval right here. 3, 2, 1, go. We got one hung up in the grass. All right, we'll let everybody cool down the motors and whatnot, but Pop's put away his TT02 rally car and brought out his M chassis Opel Kadett, and he's gonna run that with us right now. All right, Pop, you ready?
Yeah.
Mike, ready?
Ready?
All right, we're just gonna run the oval with the bend here, the small oval with the berm in this section right here. All right, let's line them up and get going. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, another little shake and bake with the rally cars down here. Just testing everything out, getting everything ready for the next one. And with that, we'll see you on the next one.